Hello students, welcome to Writer's Workshop. So yesterday I talked to you about how we were going to keep zooming in on names and words. And yesterday we talked about how we could study a name. And the name that we were studying is Rashid. And why are we studying Rashid? Well, I reminded you about how in kindergarten you had Mabel the elephant, who was kind of like your class pet, your mascot, to encourage you and help you as you were learning to study words. And in first grade, we have Rashid the lion. And again, I'm sorry, I still don't have Rashid from my classroom, but we're still going to use his name to study. So I'm going to put his name up here, and let's remember what we need to do. The first thing we need to do is name the letters. Okay, here I go. R-A-S-H-E-E-D. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is read it. Okay, Rashid. Ooh, this next fun part's kind of like dancing. Here we go. I'm going to clap the syllables. Rashid. I'm going to stomp them with my feet. See the arrows with the feet going up and down? Rashid. I'm going to snap them. Rashid. Or I could go Rashid. Study it closely. Ooh, I've got my magnifying glass out. I'm going to study it closely. I'm going to look closely at the letters. Part of studying it is doing what I talked about next. We're going to really use the sounds to do other stuff. That's part of studying too. So if I look at the beginning of the word, I see r, like a rabbit. Then I continue, rush, sh. If I look in the middle of the word, I see sh, like sheep. And then I continue, Rashid, d. If I look at the end of the word, I see d, as in dog. It's interesting because when we are doing this kind of studying of a name, I'm making a connection to what we were just talking about in Reader's Workshop and the idea that you have to look at all parts of the word. Well, here we're looking at all parts of Rashid's name. Next, you're supposed to notice the vowels, okay? And that makes a connection to the vowel song that we've been learning in the morning, right? I reminded you about the vowel chart, A-E-I-O-U from kindergarten, and we've been learning the vowel song. But this made me think that I want to remind you about what the other kind of letters are called. The other kinds of letters, kind of like the opposite of vowels, consonants. And in order to take a closer look at all of those, I got out our alphabet chart. So if you notice on this alphabet chart, let me see if I can adjust this so we can see a little bit more. I guess we can't see it all at once, so we'll have to just look bit by bit. Notice that the colored ones are the vowels. And we have students color those in to remind them that they're a little trickier. They can make at least two different sounds. But the rest of these are the consonants. And the consonants are sometimes kind of like harder sounds. You could think of them that way. They're not all hard sounds though. And sometimes even consonants, some consonants can also make two sounds. So for example, the letter B, 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 ball. Letter C, C can make two sounds, K, cat, and S, circle. D, D, dog. F, F, fan. G can make two sounds, G, goat, or J, giraffe. H, H, hat. So notice I'm pointing to the consonants. Those are the letters that are not the vowels. Let's keep going. J, J, jump rope. K, K, kite. You should be joining in with me. Here we go. L, ooh, ladybug. M, monkey. N, nest. Gotta skip that one. That's a vowel. Peep, pig. Q, question. R, rainbow. S, sun. T, turtle. V, volcano. W, watermelon. X, fox. Y, yarn. Z, zipper. So I just read all the consonants. So I want you to remember two kinds of letters, vowels and consonants. So I hope you enjoyed how we studied Rashid's name very closely. And here's a reminder of the steps, all the steps we take when we study a name, right? We read it, clap it, stomp it, snap it, name the letters, study it closely, use all the sounds, look at the sounds, and when we're considering these sounds, these are the consonants, right? And then we notice the vowels. I hope you are studying your own names and will be able to tell us something special you noticed about your name. See you later. Bye.